The dynamic stability control system in your Mazda is a crucial safety feature designed to prevent skidding and maintain vehicle control during challenging driving conditions. DSC is designed to prevent skidding and maintain control by automatically detecting when your vehicle begins to lose stability and intervening before you lose control. DSC continuously monitors three key parameters: wheel speeds at each corner, steering angle input from the driver, and vehicle rotation or yaw rate. When DSC detects a loss of control, it intervenes by applying brakes to specific wheels, reducing engine power, or adjusting transmission behavior to help restore stability. Understanding DSC warning lights is crucial. A solid DSC off light means the system is manually disabled or has detected a fault, while a flashing DSC light indicates the system is actively working to maintain vehicle stability. If both ABS and DSC warning lights appear together, this indicates a shared component failure, often involving wheel speed sensors or brake system components, and requires immediate professional attention. Modern Mazda vehicles from 2020 onwards feature enhanced diagnostic capabilities with more accurate error detection and integration with the infotainment system, providing detailed error descriptions and maintenance recommendations. Mazda has issued technical service bulletins for DSC sensor calibration issues, particularly affecting 2018 through to 2022 CX-5 and CX-9 models. If you own one of these vehicles, check with your Mazda dealer for any available updates or recalls. When your Mazda's DSC off warning appears, systematic troubleshooting is essential. We'll examine the most common causes and their solutions based on recent service data. Always begin troubleshooting with basic electrical checks. Verify battery voltage is above 12.4 volts with the engine off. Visually inspect sensors and wiring for damage, and note exactly when the warning appears during driving. Use a multimeter to check battery voltage. Low voltage causes 25% of DSC complaints and can trigger multiple warning lights. Wheel speed sensor failure accounts for 35% of DSC issues. Symptoms include the DSC warning light, ABS light activation, and speedometer irregularities. The solution involves replacing the faulty sensor, typically costing $150 to $300 plus labor. Wheel speed sensors are located at each wheel hub and connect through color-coded wiring. Regular cleaning during maintenance helps prevent premature failure. Low battery voltage causes 25% of DSC complaints. This results in multiple warning lights and intermittent system operation. DSC systems are particularly sensitive to voltage fluctuations, so regular battery testing every 6 months is recommended. Steering angle sensor calibration issues account for 20% of cases. This commonly occurs after wheel alignment or steering work. Professional recalibration using Mazda's IDS diagnostic tool is required, typically costing $100 to $200. Brake system issues cause 15% of DSC warnings and require immediate attention. Symptoms include spongy brake pedal feel, fluid leaks, and reduced braking performance. Never ignore DSC warnings combined with brake warning lights. Control module failure is rare, occurring in only 5% of cases, but is expensive to repair. This is suspected when DSC warnings persist despite replacing other components. Module replacement or reprogramming costs $800 to $1,500, including labor. Modern DSC systems require professional diagnosis with specialized tools. While basic checks can identify simple issues, the complexity of these safety-critical systems means professional service is often necessary for accurate diagnosis and repair.